If you're in any type of online business, I'm sure you've heard the phrase, the money's in the list. You might be asking yourself, how do I build an email list for my business? Sound familiar? Good, because you're in the right place. In today's video, you're going to discover how you can build a successful email list for your business from scratch. Even if you are a total beginner, you have no following, or have never even built a list before. This secret may shock you. Finally, I'm going to reveal to you how to monetize this list, even if you have no product or anything to sell. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to reveal to you my sales accelerator formula that I use to smash all the competition. So stay tuned. Ready? Let's dive in. So how do we build an email list from scratch? Well, I want to let you know that you're able to do this because when I first started out, I knew what an email list was, but I didn't know how to build one or where even to start. I did my research and I took the One Funnel Away challenge and they laid it out to me very simply. The first thing you're going to want to do is create a lead magnet. Now, this can be anything. This can be a checklist, an ebook, an article, a report, an audio file, a mini video series. It doesn't have to be complicated and it can be very easy to make. You can even buy what's called a PRL or private label rights of somebody else who already made something and offer it as a free gift to join your email list. Now, one thing that I think is a necessity is a funnel. You have to have a funnel set up so people can subscribe to your email list and download your lead magnet. And on the thank you page of this lead magnet, after they subscribe, you can even offer them an invite to your Facebook group and build your Facebook group. Or you can sell a low price product and actually make some money off growing your email list as well. And once you start building your list, then you can start thinking, what's going to be your sexy offer? What are you going to sell or put at the end of the lead magnet funnel, or as they like to call it, a tripwire funnel, so you can start making money off your opt-ins once they opt into your list and growing your list at the same time. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to write down on a list of what ideas you might have for a lead magnet. Doesn't matter what your niche is, just write down anything that you could think of that would help people out in whatever it is that you do. And down in the comments below, I want you to tell me what your ideas are for your lead magnets. Alright, so my secret strategy on how to grow your list on autopilot. Well, the platform that we're going to be using is YouTube. Now, when I first started out, I knew that I was supposed to build a lead magnet and I was supposed to have a funnel. But what I soon realized is once you build the funnel, nobody showed up. It was like I set up this huge event and I got into the auditorium and came in there and nobody showed up. So I didn't know what to do. So I started buying courses and doing more research, and what I found out is that YouTube is the #2 search engine in the world. And it's not only the #2 search engine in the world next to Google, it's a platform that anybody can create content on, and it leaves room for a massive opportunity because we can sit and write on a list and think, what are our dream customers asking? What do they want to find out? What struggles are they going through? And then we can make videos with the titles to those very same questions and include our lead magnets in the description. And then we're going to have super hot, problem aware, most of the time ready to buy customers coming to our videos for the answers to the questions that they're looking for already. And we're going to have a free giveaway to help them out in their journey. That, my friends, is going to grow your email list not only on autopilot but like crazy. And it's going to be qualified people coming to your email list because they're all problem aware customers that are joining your list for solutions, which gives you a super high chances of them being able to convert into buyers, which is what we want. Alright, if you like this video so far, please hit that subscribe button and show me some support if you want to keep seeing videos like this. So, how do we monetize our list once we have one without having a product or anything to sell of our own? Well, the answer is, guys, affiliate marketing. Whatever you're interested in, whatever niche you're in, you can go to Google and search for whatever that niche is, plus affiliate marketing, and you're going to find an affiliate program in that niche. Then when people join your list, you can start sending them emails and recommending products for them to buy. And because they already knew that you have the solution to their problems because they went to your video and subscribed to your email list to get the free thing from you that already is helping them with their problem, they're going to trust your opinion on future problems that they may have that you're going to have the solution. And you're you're going to send your affiliate link as the answer to that problem. And don't just send your link. Write out an email sequence and put in your link somewhere in there, but make it sound reasonable, Don't make it just, oh, here's this link, but there's a massive opportunity for you there. If you want instant access to my secret sales accelerator formula, then click the link in the description below and receive instant access now. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to grab that sales accelerator formula in the description below. Thank you.